Unong aiktin ke sorkar ubadeiru menteri ketena tourism hakan nyau terik naitung. Ulaong baka sorkar kalakut jingmut skemban penterikam ya ke jingbu por ke ba arpu arterik naitung ban penken ria ya baro kinongsyong di madan nakatan kendailan. Ubak por ula penpau ru ke jing snow skemban pen urlong ya ke ni ke jing temu penken ria ya kinongsyong di madan da ke ba kedau ya ke jing biang ya ki bor ban penterikam ya ke hukum bar ke jing klan jong ka mukot duma hadin ke jing penmi hukum da ke ying ka syari Meghalaya High Court. Habakren syakilat patai kubor menteri ulaong ka sorkar ka kemi lenti ya ka jingbut renti ya ka hukum ban penken ria ya kinong di madan hapo ka arpo arterik naitung. Ngidon ya ki bor ki baklain bat ru ka hukum jong ka ying ka syari kalau nang penklain ya ka kes jong ni bat hapo ka arpo arterik naitung ngi kemi lenti babaro kinong syong di madan kin but renti ya ka jing beta. Kum taru baro ki AKA on sapendep lut hakate kesngi. Ubak pol ula penpau ru halor ke jing temu jong ke sorkar ban penlong ya ke kendailat kum ke jakayat kejat bakongsan jong kinong leit nongwan kentop ya ki benta nadu kendailat syadu jail road bat sok sun haringkat ke jing pen itenat ya ke jaka bat kinong syong shnong kin yo da ki pas kenang ban perking ya ke leit kawan jong ki kali. Ka benta ke meningkong jong ke projek kalayat syakman ha ke ba ka Meghalaya Urban Development Authority muda kala dep pen krek ya baro ke jing temu. Kandon ke jing pen itenan, kandon ke jaka yat kejat ya kinong leit nongwan, bat tang kito ki basyong basa ha kito ki jaka kin yo ya ki pas, kenang bakin la ban yat ling baban poi shalaying, bat kataru kan omlong satya baro shisngi. Ngin bu da kaporung bat kapormi ulaong, haba keli ubak pol ulaong, ka muda kalaong menta baro ki AKA ki la donlud, kane kede ke benta ke beningkong, hadin balala ban pendep ya ke benta ke beningkong, kum taru ngin sabeteng ya ki benta ki badangsa. Ki nong syong dukan madan ki bamenjur ban penken ria kin yo ya ka song jing kershan ka ba arpo hajar tingka ka ban kentup ya ka jing siu lupa ka ba shipho hajar bat hadin ka jing siu ka ba ar hajar shibnai na ka benta san benai. Nalor kata ubak pol ula banjur ru ba ka sorkar kala ailat bahaya baro bat kala aipor ya ki nong di madan mentala palat shisnem ban penken ria na ki jaka syong di jing di ki jongki. Ngilale shibun ban ya kenu ke sorkar ka bakala ban le. Ngilayat palat ya kelenti ke jongi, ngila penlut na kebentakan ne bat ailat ya ki lak palat shisnem, bakin kenriat no ya ki dukan jongki. Ngilale ya ka babha shibun ula benrap.
Well, we have adequate manpower and also the High Court verdict has in fact strengthened our case and by 22nd of July, we expect complete compliance by all vendors. Before the 22nd
of July.
Meaning everything will be freezed on that day itself. One major plan that we have been advocating is the pedestrianization of the entire road from from the entry point to Kendailat up to Jail Road on the right side and Umsasun on the left side. Beautification, there will be pedestrianization, and only those staying in that particular area will be issued passes which will allow them to reach their homes, and that also it will not be throughout the day. We will have timing, entry timing and also exit time. We will enforce to ensure that pedestrians are safe to walk through. So there will be specific hours for them to leave the area and to enter the area. Muda, we almost it's available now. It's already, everything is already in place, and this is phase 1. Once we are successful in phase 1, we will then take up the remaining phases. Are you saying that the street is their natural habitat, their home? Their we have done much than what any other government would have done. Gone out of our way, invested in that space, and given them more than a year's time to relocate. So we've been very fair.